Okay, today we're going to be going over how you guys can set up this done for you, built for you ChatGPT that you can run in a matter of minutes. So look, everything is here for you guys directly in this document. So once you get access to the WAP, you'll have access to this document here, and everything is here organized for you. And everything is here organized for your convenience. So we have basically two separate chat agents that you can interact with. We have the small, basically a widget chat agent, which I'll show you guys here in a second. And then we have a larger chat agent, which is basically a full screen agent. So this is the small chat agent, and this is the large chat agent. Again, all this is are these two documents here. It's extremely simple to get launched. I'm about to show you how to do it right now. All you got to do is go to a platform called Netlify.com. Create a Netlify account for completely free. You can go ahead and click import an existing project, or you can click add new project, click deploy manually. Once you do that, you're going to go ahead and click, and you're going to upload the folder that your file is in. Make sure your file is in a folder or it will not work. So you just need to have your index.html file that you download in a folder, upload the folder like this, and boom, you're done. You'll have a live site posted in a matter of seconds. So boom, as we can see, our site is up, and boom, you now have another live site that you guys can use in a matter of minutes for completely free, unlimited. So now let's show you how to set up your end-to-end webhook so you can use this agent and the functions. So this is the main agent that's behind the system. You can interact with it through the webhook, which is how we're interacting with it on this website here with a webhook. You can also interact with the agent through Telegram if you have it set up. These tools that you see down here, if you guys have the biz in the box system, then you guys can plug these tools in here. But if you don't, you guys need to just keep in your OpenAI model and the simple memory here. Everything else is you need to plug and play the different tools that you want your agent to have access to. For example, this tool right now, because it's in the biz in the box system that you guys should have access to if you guys are in the community. But basically, if you're in here, this agent can access each one of these databases, and basically those tasks are delegated to sub-agents that it has contact to. If you guys have the biz in the box, you'll watch my other videos and understand what I'm talking about. But again, don't get confused if you guys just get this agent, if you guys just get this website package and this AI agent and you see these tools here. Don't worry about these tools unless you have the biz in the box plan. If you see them on there, just delete them. Just make sure you keep OpenAI or any other AI model that you want in the simple memory. Those are the only things that's mandatory on this workflow, as well as these two webhooks. So what you're going to want to do is just come on here. You're going to get your webhook link. You're going to make sure you click this production URL here. You're going to go ahead and copy that. You're going to go back to your Notion app. You can do this on basically this one right here. I'm going to show you how to change it on a small web agent, but on the large web agent, all you have to do is go and paste your link in here to your main webhook URL. Once you do that, what it's going to do is basically be sending direct messages to this agent from this web page. So if we go ahead and disable this and then test this workflow, I can show you exactly how it works. So we're going to go ahead and send the message in hello, and we should get that message here. As you can see, it just activated this workflow and sent this message back to our chat agent. So as you can see, hello, how can I assist you? So that's all that is happening here. We're having a stylized front end, which is basically just our chat interaction app. That is all it's doing is sending your message that you send to your back end NAN agent. Just remember, you can set this up and change this for any business. For you to hook up a payment processor to this and charge people. It is extremely simple. You guys can see you can save prompts here as well. So you see I just had one saved, generate an in-depth research doc on, and then you can type in whatever else and save this to your prompt library as well. So again, you have basically a full-fledged chat app that you have full integration and customization of. You can add an email tool to it. So let's go ahead and explore mine a little. Generate me a Ultra HD 4K purple wave image. So let's go ahead and see this. You see it's using this AI agent, and now it's thinking, it just thought, and now it's using the graphic designer tool. The graphic designer tool has access to a logo generator and an image generator. So now what that's going to do is send a stylized image back to us here in this chat. So boom, as you can see, it just generated this, was me just typing in a couple words. All this is set up completely for you to use. If you guys want access to all these other tools and agents, make sure you go ahead and cop the automation plan or go to the template marketplace and cop whichever ones that you need. But this is a plug and play system. You can add and adapt it as much as you want, but this is basically how you maneuver it and use it.